Hi guys, it's Arielle Fox and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up. Let's get straight into today's video. VKK products. So one of them is this one and this one is a blackhead remover and it sucks the blackheads out of your face. The other one is a multifunctional face cleaner. Let's open this one up and see what it looks like inside. So first up in the box there is steps on how to use this. Is the actual brush product itself in the box. It's really soft and these like weird bristly bits on it are so soft too. This comes off and then you can put a pad on here to help get your makeup off as well. And it has a button on the back, so let's press the button on the back and it vibrates. It vibrates and then it's got the little brush on it to massage your face with. And it feels crazy. It almost looks a little bit like a sex toy, I think, because sex toys look a lot like beauty products nowadays and vice versa. It's really hard to tell the difference, but it's not. This is definitely a beauty product. And it feels crazy, and I think you can turn up the vibration as well, which is really insane. That's really high. And you can use this to massage your face. It does feel really nice on my skin. And inside here there's an accessories box as well. This is so cute. This is a little bag that it comes with. I don't know what's in here. It has these as well. It's an eyebrow razor to help shape your eyebrows. I've always wanted to try one of these, so I'm really keen to try these. Really loved this brush. It's so nice. My face feels so chill after using it, like so relaxed. I definitely recommend it. I haven't tried the other function on there yet, but I will try that at some point. You guys know on Instagram how I get on. Okay, so next up we have the Vacuum Blackhead remover that sucks blackheads out. I'm really excited to try this. On the back of here, just before we open it up, it says it removes blackheads and it removes dead skin, and it also can reduce grease and can tighten and lift your skin. Inside here we have a cute little envelope. I'm presuming that will have instructions in, and then the device itself. I'm in love with the design of both of these devices. I love the colours and I love how soft they are. They feel just really delicate and they also look really stylish as well. Something else in here too. Oh, there's lots of tools for removing blackheads and stuff in here as well, and popping spots, so we'll get to those as well. These are great. I already have some of these and I absolutely love them. So it has like a secret compartment thing at the back, and that's where your nozzle heads are. There's more nozzle heads in here, and it also comes with the bag and the charger as well. I'd almost missed it until I read the instructions. I was like, where's these? They just pull up this bit of card that's on the back and they are in there. And it comes with these bits. I'm not sure what these are yet. And also a little stand, which is how you charge it. Okay, so I'm going to come closer because we're going to turn this on now. So you can hear it working. There's another button on the top, I think that does the strength. But I'll show you. I just tried this on my finger and it sort of sucks my finger skin in like. So it's clearly doing something right. Let's try it on this softer setting and see what happens. I'm a bit nervous. It's so funny. Never really red nose. It can make your skin red, but apparently it lasts only up to 30 minutes. So I've just finished rubbing it on my face, and as you can see I'm quite red, like especially in my nose creases where it's pulled all the crap out of my skin. It does feel like a little bit of pressure on your skin when you're using it, but it doesn't exactly hurt or anything. I think it's worked really well. It is disgusting up here. It's probably hard to see on camera, but there is a lot of gunk all like around the top of here that it's got from my face. And I'm not very blackheady and it still managed to pull a lot of crap from my face, so really happy about that that's in there and not in here. I'm going to go and cleanse my skin thoroughly after this to make sure it's nice and clean, and it's recommended you also put sun cream on after, which also protects your skin from all the harsh stuff in the weather and everything, especially if it's opened your pores a little bit. If you've enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up. I haven't made one in a while, so I'm a bit crap at them again. I'm sort of get out the swing of doing them and then talk crap and do a crap job. So I'm really sorry. I'm going to try and get back into them again. But yeah, if you've liked my video, give it a big thumbs up below, and also subscribe for more like this, and go check these guys out and check out their products because they're great.